Okay, this is my M41 series BB gun, uses 6mm. It's 1:1 scale. There's a scope, instructions to the scope. There's the real scope, picture of it. And then we got the style of this gun. Compact, the sort of compact, and the full version. Then we got the different guns. There's the 41G, 41L, and 41GL++, which has the laser and the scope. And that's it. Let's open this up. There's the instruction manual and the back of it. Then we got this gun. There's the side of it. There's the main part of it. The magazine. It's based in here. We use the long barrel. Also use the stock. And use the scope as well. Screw it on. There we go. Perfect. Then we'll put the scope on. Just about to see through there. Yeah, there we go. Now let's see how this baby fires. Alright, keep looking at that. Get a bit closer. This baby holds up to 20 magazines. 20 BBs in a magazine. That's it. Pretty big. Look, you take off the paper. It thrashed it. That's what happens when you mess with my gun.